In this video, I'm out in Zephyrhills' newest community, Two Rivers, and I'm gonna take you on a tour of the Elston II model. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. Contact information is in the description below, but enough talking, let's start today's tour. All right, this is the Elston II model. As you can see here, it's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath with a loft, 2,305 square feet. In this community in Two Rivers, they start at about $395,000 and go up from there. When you come in the front door, you have a little area here. Continuing on, right here to the left is going to be a half bath. And they sell this model in other communities throughout. So if you're interested, just reach out and I can get you pricing on the different communities throughout the Tampa Bay area. Right here is going to be your 2-car garage. And then you have a nice little storage area over here. I wish they would have made this a 3-car tandem, but they didn't. All right, continuing on. And out of the garage to your left. Let's go up the stairs first, then we'll come back down. So when you come up the stairs, you have your loft right here. And let's go this way. So you got a bath right here, dual vanity. This one has the gray cabinets, the quartz or the granite countertops, tile around your tub and shower combo. Continuing on, you have a 2nd-story laundry room. And then a bedroom in the back here, overlooking the backyard. Let's take a look at the closet. Kind of a standard closet, but at least it has a door instead of a bifold. I like that. All right, one thing I didn't show you, right in the loft here, you're gonna have a linen closet there. Then right over here is gonna be your master suite. Nice big walk-in closet. And let's go check out the bath. So you come in, linen closet there, nice size linen closet. Have your shower here. I would add some glass doors. I know I've mentioned that in other videos. Dual vanity. Your toilet there. And then another linen closet here. All right, continuing on. Back through the loft, and then over here is going to be 2 more bedrooms. And air handler behind there. And then a bedroom number 4. All right, let's go downstairs, take a look at the rest of the home. All right, coming down the stairs to the left. Kitchen here, this community is gas, which I really like. So you got your granite countertops, your gray cabinets, your gray range, or gray range, wow, gas range. Microwave there. Nice undermount sink in the island. And then you're gonna have your walk-in pantry right there. A little bit of storage under the stairs. And then another pantry area here. So nice amount of space in here. Let's go over here real quick, show you this. This is gonna be your coat closet. Family room slash living room here. And then your dining room right there. And then you come out and you have your little patio here. I'll come out here and show you the back of this too. This one does not have, I mean, it's a little bit of an overhang, but not much of a covered lanai at all. So I would have something added there. But that's gonna do it. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.